Yeah, welcome to the Nati Guide. Today's video is on how to use Notion. Notion is a single space where you can think, write, and plan your daily activities. It is also free to use, so you can get access by just typing Notion in your web browser and then you sign up, or you can download the platform on your laptop and start using. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. You just have to type Notion in your browser, you hit enter. So this is the platform. You can sign up over here. So I'm going to close it. When you log into Notion and you check the sidebar over here, there are some tools that will aid you in the navigation of the platform. We have update. So update is where all changes you made to a particular page is shown. Okay. And we have settings and members. You can add members or you can send invite to people to join your space. We have new page. You can create a new page. So when I click on this, I get the opportunity to create a new page. Let me name this daily recipes. Okay, and I hit enter. So I'm going to add my daily recipes. I'm going to say yam stew and rice with egg stew. Yeah, so when I'm done, I'm just going to click on the empty space and my page will be created for me over here. We have AI blog post generator. So if you have a website and you want to create blog posts, you can use this particular option over here to create free blog posts for your website. We have quick notes. You can jot down some text. You can make a to-do list. You can create sub pages as well. We have personal home. So at personal home, you can organize everything over here. We have movie list, we have recipes, we have yearly goals. You can plan your activities using personal home. There is task list. You can generate your to-do activities and then you track the progress. We have journal. So with this, you can write daily happenings, special occasions, and reflections on your goals. There is reading list. You can include books or things that you've read over the past couple of years as well. We have social media calendar. So you can use this template to plan and stay on top of all your social media posts. There is course schedule as well. So in case you are taking a particular course, you can use this template to track your progress. You can also create a theme space using this particular option, and you can get more templates by using the template option. So when I click on this, I can see that there's more templates option over here, and then I'll click on it. When I click on it, I get the option to choose from multiple templates. We have work templates, we have school templates, personal templates, projects, wiki, and docs. So you can select the one that you want and you can start using it. You can choose from any of these templates, add it to your workspace and start using that. We also have import section over here. You can import Word document, Google Docs, Trello workflows, and others. So just try and explore some of these things at your own time. So this is all about Notion. Thank you so much for watching.